Hi everyone, thanks for reading my blog, Miss to Mrs. Chick. Today I would like to show you how to assemble a Freemie. When you first purchase a Freemie, it comes in 4 parts. You will have a Freemie cup, a valve base, a valve, and a brass funnel. First, take your brass funnel and take your valve base and you attach them together like this. You have to keep your stem aligned with the tubing part. This is the tubing part. And you push them together firmly. And then you take your valve and you place it on the valve base. When you place this valve on the valve base, it's very important for you to take note that the valve is actually placed at this direction, which is pointing down. You should not place your valve in this way or in the other way. You have to make sure this valve is actually being connected with it pointing down towards. Then you take your cup, your Freemie cup, and have this showing up and connect them together. Lastly, put your tube inside this tubing part and there you go. This is your Freemie cup.